everybody. We are in 2026. Wow. Anyway, have a blessed year. I hope everybody's doing amazing. So I'm just gonna get into it. Today we are doing Cast lashes. Ba, 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 ba. Anyway, lashes that I'll be doing, they are from Shein, these ones, and they came with this and a bond. This is a bond, a seal and a bond. I don't like using this, but I prefer this one. This makes my lashes last for at least a week. Well, to me it lasts at least a week. So basically this is a hair bonding glue, so I use this for myself. I try this. I don't have a problem with this. The problem with this is that I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Now for the lashes, these are the lashes that I'll be doing. I just like them just nice, more natural, more there, not too there. About these ones is that they come with numbers are from 16 until 9. These are the numbers we'll be doing. We're gonna start from 14.